If you're looking to shift stubborn body fat without spending a lot of time in the gym or following some crazy diet, this video is for you.
Let's go.
Hey, what's going on? Coach Brian here with Criticalbench.com. I am a functional movement specialist. I'm a strength coach. I'm a sports nutritionist. And I've dedicated the past 16 plus years of my life improving the human body. I love all things human performance. I also love all things just general health, and in particular weight loss. We all have some pounds that we're looking to lose, whether you're a high-end bodybuilder, a world-class Olympian, or just a weekend warrior just wanting to look good at the beach or the pool. I have experience in helping men and women just like you want to get rid of stubborn belly fat. Now, what I want to tell you about is, what if there was a way if you could lose weight and feel great and increase some flexibility, all without having to spend a lot of time in the gym or following some crazy diet? That sounds great, right? Sign me up. I know you're going to want to sign up too once I reveal to you the solution right here in just a moment. But first, I want to share with you 3 weight loss lies that are preventing you from losing weight. And before I share with you these 3 weight loss lies, I want to tell you about my program real quick, Metabolic Stretching. This is the solution. So you don't have to wait to the end of this video to find out the solution. The solution is right here. This is going to give you everything you need to lose weight and feel great from the comfort of your own home. And it's only going to take your body weight and it may be about 10 to 15 minutes. So check this out underneath this video in the comment section. I'm going to pin a link. You're going to click that link, learn more about this. You can also learn more about the 3 weight loss lies on this webpage there. So go, please check that out right now. But I wanted to just tell you about that first because I know you're busy. I know that you have a lot of things pulling you in many different directions, whether it's kids, whether it's your work, whether it's whatever. Life is busy, and that's why these lies are important for you to not believe. In other words, you need to believe the truth, and the truth will set you free. Hey, isn't that a movie? The Truth Will Set You Free? Anyways, so the first weight loss lie is crash dieting. You don't need a crash diet. You don't need to starve yourself. You don't need to rid yourself of the fuel that's actually going to help you burn fat and lose some weight. There's a lot of cool research out there. By the way, I'm going to include a bunch of research articles, links to research studies and things like that in the video description area. That's right next to that subscribe button. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit that and then go check out the research. But for all of us non-science nerds, I consider myself a science nerd. I love research. I research all the time, but I know that's not something that you might not be interested in. So I'm going to keep this at a first grade level so you can just kind of get to the meat and potatoes. Again, dieting is bad. Certain crash diets are bad. So yeah, get to the meat and potatoes, and then let's just keep moving forward. So the crash diets are actually harmful. They're dangerous and they're not realistic. They don't work on your schedule. They don't work on anybody's schedule. They're not practical. Sure, you might lose like a couple pounds here and there, but you're gonna feel horrible. You're not gonna sleep great. You're gonna have brain fog. And there's a good chance if you're an exerciser, you need energy to get a good workout in, right? And if you rid your body of the fuel that you need to exercise, I'm talking crash dieting, people that are just cutting out all things completely. Now, I'm not talking about intermittent fasting or fasting in general. I'm talking like crash dieting, like eating like rice cakes and maybe 3 almonds all day, or just saying, I'm not gonna eat for the next 4 days. That doesn't apply to all people. Those individuals who work best in those situations are individuals that are accustomed to a specific type of diet based on their dietary needs. But for you watching right now, there's a good chance that you're not in that position. And if you are, great. But if you're not, great. You just need to know that eating the right foods all throughout the day, in conjunction with a little bit of exercise from home, you're going to lose weight. So that weight loss lie that you don't want to believe is that you need to starve yourself in order to lose weight. That's a myth. That's been debunked numerous times. You need to eat, and I can't really go into full depth of exactly what you need to eat. You're going to have to do a little trial and error, but again, in that my program, Metabolic Stretching, there is some information in there on things that are going to help you when it comes to dieting. So again, go check out that pin link and then learn more about the truth of dieting and things like that. So the second weight loss lie, this is one of those things that I personally practice, but not to to the degree where it becomes like a lie. They're called shred workouts. 12-week shreds, 12-week burns, 12-week, 16-week, 20-week beach body crusher. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. You don't need to follow some crazy intense until you puke type of workout all day, every day. Okay, so get that through your processing center there, that you don't need to spend hours upon hours upon hours following some crazy routine in the gym. I mean, take a look at our videos, for example. All of our videos here on our channel are 3, 5, 10, 15, 20-minute routines that you can do anywhere. Yes, some include resistance bands, some include dumbbells, barbells, suspension straps, med balls. Yeah, we love utilizing all these tools. They're great for certain types of training. For instance, strength training. Like strength training, you're gonna perform and get the best results out of, like, a back squat, deadlifts, bench press, sled pushes, med ball throws, things like that. But if you're looking to really just shed some stubborn body fat, burn some calories, you need to be doing high intensity training, but it doesn't have to be over the course of 16 weeks or 45 or 60 or 90 minutes at a pop. We have awesome 10-minute follow-along bodyweight routines that you can do for all levels. We've got beginner programs, we've got advanced programs. And again, my program, Metabolic Stretching, stretch your way lean in just 15 minutes from your living room, from a chair. We have a beginner's version in here. We've got an advanced version. We've got something that is going to be geared for you. Okay, so whoever's watching right now, you're watching right now, this program is for you. I don't care if you're young, I don't care if you're old, I don't care if you're out of shape or in shape. This program is for everybody. We designed it in that way that everybody can get out of that, get something out of that. And again, when it comes to the workouts, you got to put some effort into it. You can't just expect to do X and get Y. Like, you have to do X plus Y plus Z plus D plus E plus F. Yeah, it's a new alphabet I just formed. But you have to do all that in order to get what you're looking for. So you can't just say, oh, I went to the gym today. Oh, what'd you do? Nothing, I just went to the gym. I hung out, had a cup of coffee, and I'm still not losing weight. Well, duh. You can't expect to just go to the gym and lose weight. You have to do the right types of training. And unfortunately, you've been led to believe that these 12-week intense 4 to 6 days a week in the gym for 90 minutes using all different crazy stuff that you're not going to do is going to get you there. Well, we've debunked that myth. Again, this is a lie that many people believe. I believed it for so long. I believed that in order to get the body that I wanted, I had to do all this stuff and take all these supplements. Oh, and where did it leave me? Frustrated, not the body I wanted, and actually I spent a lot of money and I actually hurt myself. Believe that. So I was trying to get healthy, but I actually ended up getting hurt and broke at the same time. So stay away from high intensity 16-week programs that are going to force you to do something you don't want to do. Live on your terms, make things work according to your schedule, and just stick to it, but also put in 100%. The last lie, here we go. You ready? Da-da-da, drum roll. Yeah. Air guitar. All right, cool. I just had to mix it up a little bit because I know you might be being like, all right, get to the point. But the point is, there are a lot of lies that you're believing, and this is the third weight loss lie is, you ready for it? You don't need to do cardio every day. Long, boring cardio. I mean, we've all been there. We've all been in the gym where there's that one person, guy or girl, young or old, we've all seen that person that's on the treadmill or on the elliptical for 2-3 hours at a time, going slow as a snail, doing nothing, maybe jamming out to some music, reading a book, eating a sandwich, watching TV. But they're on there. You go to the gym, you pull in, the second you walk through the door, you're there. You spend a good hour and a half, go take a shower, you get changed, you come out, have a shake, they're still on there. What are they doing? It's funny, I've actually approached those individuals being in the gym setting for so long in my life. I said, oh, what are you doing? I'm trying to lose weight. Okay, so you think walking at a moderately low pace for 2 to 3 hours is going to help you lose some weight? Okay, it doesn't compute with me. I mean, I'm a strength coach, I'm a functional movement specialist, I've studied human performance, I've got a master's degree in exercise science. I understand how the body responds to exercise and stimulus, and how to jumpstart and rev start your metabolism and things like that. And it breaks my heart sometimes because these people are fully invested in doing the wrong things. Right motives, but wrong things, wrong actions. So I need you to understand that in order to lose weight, save your time, do these body weight interval types of exercises. And I'm not talking high intensity, like insane workouts. You're gonna start at a moderately intense type of training stimulus. It could be for 5 to 10 minutes at a time. And then you're gonna progress over time, your body's gonna acclimate, and then you're gonna progress into more high intensity stuff for 5, 10, 15 minutes at a time. It's just like anything else. The more you do it, the more your body's gonna acclimate to it, and you're gonna be getting more accustomed to that type of exercise. So, and if you're looking to, if you're looking just to get healthy, I can see the benefits of walking 2 to 3 hours, but there's so many better things you can be doing than just walking on a treadmill for 2 hours. If anything, go outside for a 2-hour walk. At least get some vitamin D on your skin, go uphill, downhill, changing directions. At least you're getting some different types of external impact on your body than just sitting on a treadmill or elliptical. So if you fall into any of these categories of lies, now is your time to break free from that. Do what you need to do what is necessary in order for you to shift that stubborn body fat. Not only that, but increase your flexibility through the help of my program, Metabolic Stretching. So again, hopefully you found this video helpful. I know you did, and hopefully you're gonna apply these principles to your next moment. Hey, thanks for watching. At the beginning of this video, I talked about my program, Metabolic Stretching. I need you to take advantage of the special discount we're running right now for this video. So go underneath this video right now in the comments section. I'm gonna pin a link for you to click. So click that link, learn everything you need to know about this program, and take advantage of that great discount right now. Other than that, subscribe to our channel, leave us a comment or question, and then always come back for more. I'm Coach Brian here with Critical Bench. We'll see you next time. We'll be right back.